Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out a couple of new products from PAC Cosmetics. These products were sent to me by the brand and I have been sitting on them for some time now. So I took a break and I didn't film any video for almost a month, and finally I thought I should take a break from the break and start working. So I have a couple of products here that I'm going to try out today with you all. So let's start with prepping the skin. For prepping my skin, I'm using this Technic Color Fix Color Correcting Primer. This combats dull skin. This is my first time using a lavender primer. I have always used clear or orange primers. So the primer is done, and next step is color correcting for me, and I'm going to use this Freedom Pro Conceal palette. It's broken. I'm still trying to use it because I like this palette since it's quite sheer, and I mostly wear not so full coverage foundation, so this works for me. So I'm going to apply this orange around the darker areas of my face. For foundation, I have the most requested product from you all. This is a PAC foundation, and this is PAC HD liquid foundation, and I have received it in shade number 3. Now this shade looks a bit light for me. I think 3.5 would be more suitable. If they have 3.5 or 3.25, I'll find out and I'll buy that. But right now this is the first time I'm going to apply this, so let's try this on first and see if it matches. So I'm taking around 2 pumps. Another new product, I'm not sure if this is new, but this is PAC Beauty Blender, and this definitely reminds me of Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I really like it. It's so soft and squishy. I have been using this a lot for blending my makeup, and this works so well. I'm not sure how it's coming across on camera, but in person this looks like a really good match. However, I will still buy 3.5, and I will buy 3.5 and see how different are these from each other. But 3 is kind of a really good match. If you are between NC40 and NC42, this is going to be a really good match. If you are half a shade lighter than my complexion, this is going to match you really well. I think the best thing about PAC foundation is that these foundations are available in so many shades, and this costs $7.50, so this is kind of affordable as well, and it doesn't feel too drying on the skin. In fact, it feels really good and nice. The coverage is like medium in one layer. I'm not going to layer it because I'm kind of comfortable with the kind of finish it has given me. My concealing and contouring, I'm going to take the Technic Color Fix Cream Foundation Contour Cream Palette. I'm going to be mixing these 2 shades, this one and this one. I like this palette a lot. It's such a good investment if you're a bridal makeup artist, or if you're a makeup artist for that matter. Try these palettes. These are not that expensive. I'll find out the price and link and mention everything in the description box. I picked it from an Insta seller, but I think she has a website as well. I'll just see if they have a website, and I will mention all the details in the description box. I'm going to contour my face using the same palette, and I will take the darkest shade here, which is like a chocolate brown, and apply it on the perimeters of my face. So the face is contoured, and now I'm going to use another product from PAC, their baking powder set. This is another new launch, and this retails at ₹750, and the packaging reminds me of Inglot Cosmetics. This has a white setting powder, then a yellow, and here is a bronzer, I believe, but this shade would be more like my overall skin color, so I'm going to use this as my setting powder. But I'm going to use this yellow one to set my under eyes, and I'm going to take my sponge and press it on it to take the product. Wow. Can you see this eye and this eye? It is mattified and brightened up so well. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and apply this color all over my face. So I'm gonna go back to this palette, take this yellow from here and make my face. For my eyes, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. With the help of a large fluffy brush, I'm going to use this color here. Now I'm going to take this dark brown and apply it just below the transition. Going back to the same transition color here. Now I'm going to take this color with my finger. Now I'll take this one. Taking this shadow to highlight the brow bones. Now applying a little bit of eyeliner. This is from Eurogirl Paris eyeliner. This is waterproof. Now I'm using PAC Kajal. This is really good kajal. It's very long lasting and it is jet black. And I was looking for a good kajal for my waterline, and this is like a really good kajal. Now I'm going to take a small brush and the pink shade from this palette and apply it on my lower lash line. Mascara is done and I'm going to do my eyebrows quickly. Now I'll do a little bit of bronzing. I'm using Pressed Powder Contour palette. This has contour and highlighter shades. For blush, I'm going to use one of the blushes from PAC Cosmetics only. And I like their blushes a lot. Their blushes are of really good quality. I will be using blush number 309 and I'm using a PAC blush brush. This is number 390. Highlighter, I'm going to use another Technicolor highlighter palette. This is Technicolor Color Fix highlighter palette. I'm going to use this one. To set my makeup, I'm using this Eurogirl Makeup Perfector Makeup Fixer. Lipstick, I'm going to use my latest Givenchy lipstick, and this is in shade number 331. This is a matte lipstick and a very dark color. This is the completed look and I'm kind of happy with how everything is looking. I hope it's looking this good on camera as well. I strongly feel that the powder under the eye, the yellow powder under the eye would look a bit too yellow if you apply too much. Foundation I really like. I think it's a really good match and it looked really nice on me. However, I would like to go a shade up like 3.5 and try it. I'll pick it and will use it in my next video so that you guys will see how good that matches. And everything else, like I like the eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of really pretty shades. This palette is more like a winter fall color, but I don't really care about the shades and the seasons and the shades. I wear whatever I want to most of the times. Throughout the year I wear dark colors. So yeah, I love the lipstick. It's matte, it's really pretty. The blush and the highlighter is also very nice. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Get ready with me for filming or get ready with me trying new launches. And if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.